ugly. See it happen?
No. But by looking at it, those two trucks are in the same lane.
Lucky that transfer was empty.
Yeah, it has to be the transfer because he's going to the gravel pit.
Yeah.
This guy's not out. He didn't cross his lane. This guy, look at, he's crossed his lane. Even the tractor.
Yeah.
Front axle's tore right out of this dump truck.
I'd say that guy clipped that guy.
Yeah, in the wrong lane.
Right, it's the transfer that did
And
it.
this guy knocked him right into the back of the other truck.
Can I get help? Yeah, no worries. I'll see you. Probably wasn't paying attention.
No, this guy wasn't paying attention. It's Tonka money, right? He's around here somewhere. I saw him a minute ago.
Yeah, well.
This corner, you know what? This is the worst place to have this gravel pit right now. We've got so many accidents around here because the gravel trucks come and cut that corner and it hit everybody. We've seen about 20 in the last 10 years.
I believe you.
Everybody out? Everybody's out. Everybody's down for it. Holidays, he had a brand new trailer and a truck come around that corner. The gravel truck went too wide in that corner and wiped out his whole trailer.
Yeah.
They should just move that gravel pit around away from here. These are always.
Yeah, it is a dangerous corner.
Yeah.
Anyway, I gotta skedaddle. I gotta go get my paycheck.
Okay. See you later.
Number 6, or pardon me, yeah, number 6 and River Road in Richmond.